Textures apartment by Studio Lema in Jardins, Brazil. The apartment Textures is the home of a couple who come to São Paulo, mainly for work. Therefore, the project aimed to be a comfortable and cozy place. The project's conception came from the composition of materials for a neutral base, but rich in textures. The terrazzo flooring takes center stage throughout the living area. To complement it, two materials were chosen for the walls: Carvalho wood panels and an off-white Terracor texture. The texture flows onto the ceiling of the room, creating a sense of unity and expanding the space. Through the wood panel, the doors to the kitchen and the powder room were camouflaged. A gap was opened in it for the dining and bar sideboards. This panel continues into the reading area, where the idea was to create a wooden box. The warmth of this space was achieved through the Carvalho wood slatted ceiling and the bookshelf for the couple's library. The desire to have vegetation inside the apartment led to the creation of a planter along the glass facade of the apartment, contributing to thermal and visual comfort. With an organic shape, the planter brings greenery indoors and provides space to sit and support objects. Greenery was also brought into the kitchen, a very special area for the couple. Custom-made cabinetry was designed to accommodate all utensils. Ceramic pendants and wooden stools make the kitchen island a pleasant place. The choice of each piece of furniture resulted in a unique and original composition. In addition to the clients and vintage pieces, the apartment features pieces designed exclusively and some by designers such as Sergio Rodriguez and Jean Gillen. The concept of a neutral palette, but rich in textures for the apartment's covering base, extended to the furniture. Different materials such as stones, metal, wood species, and types of fabrics enriched the project, keeping it calm. With a touch of color in some pieces, we have the feeling of a light, welcoming environment that is also elegant and timeless.